Hey guys, how are you all today? Welcome you all to my channel. So today in this video I am going to create this everyday minimal makeup look using only 3 products. So you must be thinking that what's new in it, right? So let me tell you that the products I will be using today are the viral products. Excited now? I am very excited for this makeup look. So let's get started now.
So first of all, I am using L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. It has been my ultimate favorite ever since I have started using it for my minimal makeup look, as it provides up to 24 hours of full matte coverage in just one swipe. It literally covers like a foundation and mattifies like a powder. Also, it is transfer, water, and sweat proof. Guys, look how natural my skin is looking after using this. I just love it. Next, I will be applying the lipstick. So for that, I will be using L'Oreal Paris Color Riche Intense Volume Matte Lipstick. In this, the shade I am gonna use is 275 La Terra Attitude. I just loved the packaging, guys. See how luxurious it is. It is an exclusive bullet, a slim pack with black soft touch. The texture is amazing, which provides 16-hour volumizing matte look with intense color payoff. It is so pigmented and is enriched with hyaluronic acid, which makes your lips plump and beautiful. Now I will apply this shade on my eyelids and cheeks too for that flushed look. I loved how beautiful it is looking both ways, isn't it? Now let's move on to the last and the third step. So I will be using L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. So you guys must be aware of the fact that this mascara went viral all over the internet. All girls, including me, have gone crazy for this single product because it provides ultimate volume and length to your eyelashes in just one coat. Also, it is enriched with amazing caring ingredients like castor oil and rose oil that takes care of your lashes while giving them a dramatic fanned out effect. It is ultra creamy and has a balmy formula. Now you can visibly see the difference in my eyelashes, and voila, here is my complete finished look, which is minimal yet classy and clean. I love doing this makeup very often. If you want to buy any of these, please check out my description box. I have given all the links there. Until then, see ya. Bye bye. Take care.